20-year celebration here at IH Parts America. Want to thank everybody through the years who have supported us and bought parts from us and have used us for advice and come to our show and just plain out just being an IH owner. It's such a great community. We're very honored to be part of it and very excited for what's to come in the future. Today we're celebrating here at IH Parts America. We're giving out some raffle prizes and selling some parts and feeding you all burgers and having some drinks and stuff. I want to thank my crew, the best crew out there. Could not do this alone. I don't do it alone. It's really, the crew does so much here every day. So it's just awesome having that, and binder books here, and our CPT line continues to grow. So again, thank you everyone. Really appreciate it, and can't thank you all enough.
Hi, my name is Oscar Ochoa. I'm from Menifee, California. I've been buying parts from IH America for a good 2 years. We're building a 78 Scout and a 76 for my son Alec here. Great place, customer service, top notch, great parts.
My name's Kayla Dale. This is Chad Dale. We're here at the 20-year anniversary. We've been doing business with Jeff and family for what, 15 years now?
Yeah, probably 15 plus years with Jeff. Bar none, the best business to deal with international parts. They stand by everything. They get their stuff out quick. Best prices. Just awesome family to deal with, and good crew.
Family oriented. That's what we love about it.
Hello, my name is Marty Vester. I'm from Menifee, California. I've been buying a lot of parts from IH America for probably the last 20 years because this is my 4th Scout. I've been buying from Jeff probably for over 20 years. Great service. You have a question or a problem, they're problem solvers. They've been great for me. I had a few issues on my Scout. They've just answered the questions here today. I'm very happy with them.